Welcome to our comprehensive review of the best action cameras available in the market today. In this review, we'll dive into the top action cameras. Number 1. DJI Action 2. The DJI Action 2 introduces a modular design, allowing users to customize and expand the camera's capabilities. It features a detachable lens module, which can be swapped out for different lenses to achieve different perspectives and effects. Unlike many action cameras, the DJI Action 2 includes a front-facing color display. This makes it easier to frame shots and capture selfies or vlogs without the need for additional accessories or guesswork. The camera supports live streaming, allowing users to share their adventures in real time with friends and followers. It also offers wireless connectivity options, such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, for seamless transfer of files and remote control through a mobile app. The DJI Action 2 includes advanced features like voice control, allowing users to operate the camera hands-free. It also offers an optional waterproof housing for deeper underwater adventures and an external microphone adapter for improved audio quality. Editing and sharing. DJI provides a dedicated mobile app called DJI Mimo, which offers a range of editing tools and presets to enhance and personalize your footage. The app also provides a platform for easy sharing of your videos and photos on social media. It's important to note that while the DJI Action 2 has many impressive features, individual preferences and requirements may vary. It's always recommended to thoroughly research and consider your specific needs before making a purchasing decision. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 3. The DJI Osmo Action 3 is a compact and versatile action camera designed for capturing high-quality footage in various adventurous scenarios. While specific details about the DJI Osmo Action 3 are not yet available, we can expect it to build upon the success of its predecessor, the DJI Osmo Action 2. DJI is known for its expertise in drone technology, and they have applied their knowledge to create action cameras that deliver impressive image stabilization and video quality. The DJI Action 3 is likely to continue this trend, offering advanced stabilization features to ensure smooth and steady footage even in fast-paced activities. The camera is expected to have a durable and waterproof design, allowing users to capture footage in challenging environments. It may also come with a range of accessories and mounting options to enhance its versatility. Additionally, DJI is known for its user-friendly interfaces and intuitive controls. The DJI Action 3 is likely to provide a seamless user experience, making it easy for both beginners and experienced users to operate the camera and access its features. However, it's important to note that until the official release and thorough testing, it is difficult to provide a comprehensive review of the DJI Action 3. Number 3. GoPro Hero 9 Black. The GoPro Hero 9 Black is a feature-packed action camera that offers impressive performance and versatility. With its upgraded specifications and enhanced capabilities, it has become a popular choice among adventure enthusiasts and content creators. One of the standout features of the Hero 9 Black is its improved image quality. It boasts a 23.6 MP sensor, allowing for stunning 5K video recording and 20 MP photos. The camera also supports HyperSmooth 3.0 stabilization, which delivers incredibly smooth and steady footage, even in challenging conditions. The Hero 9 Black introduces a front-facing color display, a first for GoPro cameras. This addition makes it easier to frame shots, switch between modes, and navigate through settings. The rear touchscreen display remains intuitive and user-friendly, providing quick access to various features and settings. Another notable feature is the Hero 9 Black's modular design. It is compatible with optional accessories such as the Max Lens Mod and Media Mod, which expand its capabilities and allow for additional customization. This flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of shooting scenarios. The camera also offers improved battery life compared to its predecessors, ensuring longer recording times and extended usage. It supports features like Time Warp 3.0, Super Photo with HDR, and Live Burst, providing users with creative options to capture stunning visuals. While the Hero 9 Black offers an impressive array of features, it's important to consider its relatively higher price point compared to other action cameras on the market. Additionally, some users have reported occasional software glitches and connectivity issues. Overall, the GoPro Hero 9 Black is a powerful and versatile action camera that delivers exceptional image quality, advanced stabilization, and a range of useful features. It is a solid choice for those seeking top-notch performance and the ability to capture their adventures in stunning detail. Number 4. GoPro Hero 11 Black. The Hero 11 Black features the latest version of GoPro's hypersmooth technology, which provides even more advanced stabilization for incredibly smooth footage. This is particularly useful for capturing action-packed moments or when recording in challenging environments. This feature allows you to create time-lapse videos with dynamic speed changes. Time Warp 4.0 automatically adjusts the speed based on motion, scene detection, and lighting conditions, resulting in captivating time-lapse footage. With Live Burst mode, the camera captures 1.5 seconds of footage before and after you press the shutter button, giving you a range of images to choose from. This is especially useful for capturing the perfect shot in fast-paced situations. Super Photo Plus HDR. The Hero 11 Black combines multiple shots to create a high-quality, HDR, high dynamic range, photo with improved detail and contrast. The Super Photo feature automatically analyzes the scene and applies the best settings for optimal results. Waterproof and durable. Like previous GoPro models, the Hero 11 Black is waterproof without the need for an additional housing. It is designed to withstand water submersion up to 33 feet, 10 meters, and is also resistant to dust and dirt, making it suitable for various outdoor activities. Advanced connectivity. The camera offers built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless connectivity with the GoPro app. This allows you to control the camera remotely, preview shots, and easily transfer files to your smartphone or other devices. These are just a few highlights of the GoPro Hero 11 Black. It's important to consider your specific needs and preferences when evaluating whether this camera is the right choice for you. Number 5. Dragon Touch Vision 3 Pro. The Dragon Touch Vision 3 Pro is a waterproof action camera designed for capturing outdoor activities and adventures. It features a 4K Ultra HD resolution, allowing for high-quality video recording. The camera also has built-in Wi-Fi, which enables you to connect it to your smartphone for easy sharing and remote control. One notable feature of the Dragon Touch Vision 3 Pro is its waterproof capability, allowing you to use it underwater up to a certain depth. This makes it suitable for activities like swimming, snorkeling, and diving. In terms of image stabilization, the camera is equipped with electronic image stabilization (EIS) technology, which helps reduce camera shake and produce smoother footage. The Dragon Touch Vision 3 Pro comes with a variety of accessories, including a waterproof case, multiple mounts, and a remote control. These accessories enhance its versatility and make it suitable for different scenarios. While I can provide you with this general information, it's always recommended to read reviews from users who have personally used the Dragon Touch Vision 3 Pro to get a more comprehensive understanding of its performance and features. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.